Hello students, I am N.K. Thukral from Edupedia World. Students, today we will talk on the subject business environment. Before coming to the directly definition of business environment, what is business environment, what is its nature and what is the importance of business environment, let me brief you about the business environment. I think students, everybody is aware about the business as well as environment. Now let me talk on business environment. Understanding the environment within which the business has to operate is very important for running a business unit successfully at any place, because the environmental factors influence almost every aspect of business, be its nature, its location, the prices of products, the distribution system, or the personal policies. Hence, it is important to learn about the various components of the business environment, which consists of the economic aspect, the socio-cultural aspect, the political framework, the legal aspects, and the technological aspects. So, we shall today discuss on specific business environment. Further, one more I can tell you that a business does not operate in a vacuum. It is a part and parcel of the environment surrounding. Success of business largely depends upon the suitability of environment around it. So, good environment must be there in the business so that the business achieve its objective and run successfully. Hence, in order to survive and grow, an enterprise has to adapt itself as per business environment. Now let me tell you what is the meaning of business environment, or what you can understand about the business environment. As you can see in the slide, the sum total of all individuals, institutions and other forces that are outside the control of a business enterprise but that may affect its performance. So the definition of business environment means all of the internal and external factors that affect how the company functions, including employees, customers, management, supply and demand, and business regulations. An example of a part of a business environment is how well customers' expectations are met. One thing we must keep in mind that the external factors and internal factors can influence each other and work together to affect a business. So again I am repeating, external as well as internal factors influence each other and work together also to affect a business. For example, a health and safety regulation is an external factor that influences the internal environment of a business operations. Additionally, some external factors also, but they are beyond your control. These factors are often called external constraints. Means these factors are there, but they are treated as a constraints. So no one can do anything and one has to do to overcome those problems. External factor means political factors, like they are governmental activities and political conditions that may affect your business. Also microeconomic factors, and those factors that affect the entire economy, not in your hand and not in your business hand. Examples include like interest rate, unemployment rates, currency exchange rate, consumer confidence, consumer discretionary income, etc. etc. Further, there are microeconomic factors that can affect your business, such as market size, demand, supply, relationship with suppliers and your distribution chain, such as retail store and sell your product, and number and strength of your competition. Further, there are social factors also. For example, there are clothing-based fashion change with the season, and there is a current trend towards green construction and organic foods. And also there are technological factors that affect the business and that are treated as a factors relating to the business environment. And what are those? That can either benefit or hurt your business. Some technological innovations can increase your productivity and profit margins, such as computer software and automated production. On the other hand, some technological innovations pose an existential threat to a business, such as internet streaming challenging the DVD rental business, etc. etc. And these are the external factors, and there are internal factors also. So these factors we will discuss later on. Now let's go ahead, students, and let us see what are the features or characteristics of business environment. Number one factor is totality of external forces. Business environment is the sum total of all the external forces that directly or indirectly influence the working of a business system. So this is one of the features of business management. Next feature is specific and general forces. Business environment includes both specific and general forces. Specific forces such as investor customers, competitors and suppliers affect individual enterprises directly and immediately in their day-to-day working. So these are called the specific forces. And what are the general forces? Such as political, legal, technological condition, etc. These are indirectly affect the business enterprises. Another feature of characteristics of business environment is interrelatedness. The different elements of business environment are closely interrelated. Increased awareness for health care has raised the demand for organic food and roasted snacks. This is an example of relatedness. Another feature is dynamic nature. The business environment is dynamic in nature. That is clear. That is, it keeps on changing, whether in terms of technological improvement, shifts in consumer preferences, or entry of new competition in the market. So there are external factors also or internal factors also. For example, changes like invention of a new techniques of production, a new minister in the government changes the industrial policy. Due to dynamism of business environment, management is required to remain highly cautious, alert and adaptable. Another feature is uncertainty. So uncertainty means some few things are there which are totally uncertain to the business. So business environment is largely uncertain as it is very difficult to predict future happening. To that way we can call it uncertain, especially when environment is changing too frequently, like in case of information technology. For example, it is very difficult for a garment manufacturing company to predict the frequently changing fashion. Another feature is complexity. Business environment is complex as it is a combination of many factors which are interrelated and interdependent. It is relatively easy to understand environment in parts, but it is very difficult to know the relative influence of a particular force on functioning of the business enterprise. Let's take an example. It may be difficult to determine the extent of related influence of social, economic, political, technological factors or legal factors on change in demand of a product in the market. So to that extent we can say is a complexity is there. Another feature is relativity. What's that? Business environment is a relative concept since it differs from country to country and even region to region. For example, a shift of preference from soft drinks to juices will be welcomed as an opportunity by the juice company, while soft drinks company takes it as a threat. So these are the features of business environment. I would like to tell you students that the impact of external forces sometimes is too much. For example, increasing taxes by government can make things expensive to buy. Technological improvements may render existing products obsolete. Political uncertainty may create fear in the minds of investors. Changes in fashion and tastes of consumers may shift demand in the market for existing products to new ones. And also, increased competition in the market may reduce profit margins of a firm. So these are the characteristics of business environment, and some factors are related to uncertainty and complexity also. Now let's go ahead students and talk about the significance of business environment. As you can see in the slide, the importance of business environment is that it helps to identify opportunities. But before that, I may tell you that business environment refers to the sum total of conditions which surround man at a given point in space and time. In the past, the environment of a man consisted of only the physical aspects of planet Earth, like air, water and land, and the biotic communities. But in due course of time and advancements of society, man extended his environment through his social, economic and political function. In a globalized economy, the business environment plays an important role in almost all business enterprises. So the significance of business environment can be explained by further giving the following points. Number one point is helps to identify opportunities. Opportunities refer to the positive external trends or changes that will help a firm to improve its performance. The external environment provides numerous opportunities for business units. The company which is more conscious about the changes of business environment can take better advantage of opportunities instead of losing them to competitors. For example, Maruti Udyog became the leader in small car market because it was the first to recognize the need for small cars. Continuous monitoring of business environment enables the management to identify opportunities and getting the first mover advantage. Another point of importance is first mover advantage. As I have given you the example of Maruti Udyog, as it became the leader in small car market because it was the first to recognize the need for a small car and its go ahead, and how much advantage it has now today after going ahead. So the external environment provides numerous opportunities for business units. The company which is more conscious about the changes can take better advantage of opportunities like Maruti Udyog. Next point of importance is helps to identify threats and early warning signal. Is very important. Threats refer to external environment, trends and changes that will hinder a firm's performance. Environmental awareness helps an organization to identify threats to its business interests and acts as early warning signals. Timely understanding of environment helps to make suitable changes in the organization. Let's take an example. If an Indian firm finds that a MNC is entering the Indian market with new substitutes, it should act as a warning signal and firm must prepare to meet the threat by adopting measures like improving quality, reducing cost, engaging in aggressive advertising, and so on. So this is how it helps to identify. First you have to identify and then you have to take in your cadre how you can improve on it. Further, I may tell you that if a company identifies threats immediately and at first hand and improves its products, it's very better for that business, and to be more successful it has to do. Like Bajaj Auto made considerable improvements in its two-wheelers when Honda and other foreign companies entered the auto industry. Now another importance of business environment factor is helps in tapping useful resources. A business enterprise gets various resources or inputs like finance, machine, raw material, power, etc. from its environment, including financiers, government and suppliers. In turn, business enterprise supplies the environment with its outputs such as goods and services for customers, payment of taxes to government, return on financial investment to investors, and so on. It means the business enterprises depend on the environment as a source of inputs and as an outlet for outputs. For example, with rise in demand for LCD monitors, companies started arranging raw material for LCD instead of CRT monitors. So this is how it helps. Now let's go ahead, students. Another point of importance of business environment is helps in coping with rapid changes. How it helps? I may tell you that the business environment is getting increasingly dynamic where changes are taking place at a fast pace. Today's business environment is characterized by turbulent market conditions, less brand loyalty, divisions and subdivisions of market, more demanding customers, rapid changes in technology and intense global competition, and further a merger and acquisitions of the companies. So these are the things nowadays rapidly happening. In order to effectively cope up with these changes, managers must understand and examine the environment and develop suitable course of action. Another point is helps in assisting in planning and policy. Since environment is a source of both opportunities and threats for a business enterprise, its understanding and analysis provide the base for planning and policy formulation. That's why we say that it helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. For example, ITC Hotel planned for new hotels in India after observing the increase in India's share of world tourism. Another point is helps in improving performance. Students, I may tell you that analysis and understanding of trends of business environment always helps a business to improve its performance. It has been observed that enterprises which continuously monitor and adjust themselves as per changing business environment perform better as compared to enterprise which keeps a close eye towards the external environment. Beyond these points, students, I may tell you that there is a close and continuous interaction between the business and its environment. This interaction helps in strengthening the business firm and using its resources more effectively. As talked above, the business environment is multifaceted, complex and dynamic in nature and has a far-reaching impact on survival and growth of the business. To be more specific, proper understanding of the social, political, legal and economic environment always helps the business determining opportunities and threats. And other point of is that what business should do, giving direction for growth also. The interaction with the environment leads to opening of new frontiers of growth for the business formed. It enables the business to identify the areas for growth and expansion of their activities. Also further, continuous learning is also one of the factors. Environmental analysis makes the task of manager easier in dealing with business challenging. The managers are motivated to continuously update their knowledge, understanding and skills to meet the predicted changes in the realm of business. Also, I may tell you that environmental understanding helps the business organization in improving their image by showing sensitivity to the environment within which they are working. For example, in view of shortage of power, many companies have to set up captive power plants in their factories to meet their own requirement of power. So this is what I can say today about how the business environment is significant to the businesses. So that's all today for the class. Let's wind up. See, bye bye. Thank you.